The transformation of Spotify Camp Nou is entering another crucial phase. And today, we're breaking down every key development you need to see. From level 80, crews are pouring concrete on the central Tribuna rotulas as part of the compression ring structure. Work is also progressing on radial beams and upper-tier supports. Glass installations are advancing, anchor systems are going in, third-tier seating is nearing completion, and facade elements are steadily taking shape. This isn't just routine construction. This is the future home of FC Barcelona rising step by step. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We bring you the latest Spotify Camp Nou updates on a daily basis. Let's get straight into today's full stadium progress report. In the Gol Norte corner, hydraulic machinery is breaking sections of the ground. Lifting platforms are active around the future elevator cores, and steel beams are being painted for protection. Newly installed glass panels have also been covered to prevent damage. Anchor points have been installed on the left side of the structure, both along brackets and lower supports, marking clear progress. These anchors will support the lama system, which is expected to be installed soon. Work continues on the upper levels, with welding visible on structural connections. Vertical union pieces for the false ceiling have not yet been added in this section, placing it slightly behind adjacent areas. Interior activity is present but limited. A tower crane is lifting additional prefabricated seating into place. The third tier in this corner is nearing completion, with only a few sections remaining. This represents consistent progress toward finalizing the upper bowl structure. The Tribuna side shows stronger activity. Sandwich panels are being installed, and new prefabricated seating sections have arrived on site. Lifting platforms are active in the upper Tribuna, where workers are carrying out welding and fastening tasks. This phase appears focused on reinforcing and fine-tuning structural elements ahead of enclosure work. Work continues in the main entrance facade area of Spotify Camp Nou, where crews are installing metal connectors between the upper glass panels. The remaining glass units above the entrance doors are already staged and ready for installation. Once these final pieces are secured, this entrance facade section will be close to completion, with materials on site to support the next finishing phase. In Gol Sur, teams are applying finishing material along the black truss beams behind the lama support line. Anchor connections for the lamas have not yet been installed here, unlike Gol Norte, but interior scaffold activity remains strong and the structure appears well advanced. In the adjacent corner, workers are adjusting structural beams and aligning sandwich panels. One remaining gap confirms a final panel is still pending. Protective coverings are being removed gradually, signaling a transition from installation to finishing and detailing work. On the lateral side, previously delivered radial beams and the main compression ring pillar remain staged at ground level. Concrete pumps are present but inactive, while upper-level crews continue preparing compression ring components along the third cantilever tier. Significant quantities of lama elements remain stored along the lateral zone, alongside the crane designated for their installation. No new compression ring segments have arrived, keeping structural progress steady but unchanged. Meanwhile, recently poured slab sections are being reinforced and finalized following recent concrete works. Crews are installing temporary vertical safety barriers along exposed structural edges. Lifting platforms are active behind the lama supports, where fastening and tightening tasks are underway. Today's progress reflects steady technical advancement, focused mainly on facade finishing, structural preparation, and utility integration. Multiple zones across Spotify Camp Nou continue moving forward in parallel. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for daily exclusive construction updates from Spotify Camp Nou.